Hello, witch folk. Welcome to our coven.
We're angels on broomsticks. We're a mother-daughter duo.
And we love the makeup.
I'm Kristin.
And I'm Evangeline.
And today we're going to play with some MOIRA products that I have purchased. Yes. So I've been eyeing this brand for years now, but never took the plunge.
Years?
Yeah, years. They used to have really cute blushes that were like, kind of like, look like roses, and they cute stuff.
Oh.
Always thought about this brand. Okay. But like kind of what was selling me this time was they got these new chroma light shadows, and I only picked up 3, but they have this one where you can get it in a kit for $100 and some dollars. But I have a lot of eyeshadows.
Yeah.
I don't really need these, but they're only like these are only $9, and I thought they kind of compared to the Space Cowboy Urban Decay, kind of like toppers.
Yeah.
And I thought, because I'm going on a vacation, I don't know what to pack. And I thought I'd just pack some basic bitch palette and then have something shimmery. Because I'm probably not going to focus on makeup so much. Mm-hmm. So I thought these would be perfect to pack. And then they also had their cute blushes that look like the Tower 28.
Yeah, check this out.
So
Tower 28.
MOIRA.
When you hold the packaging up to each other, they look exactly the same, like the same depth, the same shape. My thoughts are they maybe use the same packaging people, because you do get the raw components. They're exactly the same. We did notice there is a difference in weight, and you can tell that the Tower 28 does have a bit more product in it.
Yeah, and it also says it has more.
Yeah, it says it. And you can tell when you sort of examine it together that there's sort of a bit more of a dip in the MOIRA. But the MOIRA is cheaper, as one would hope. I think it's product,
yeah, so you're not really saving money, just saying.
Yeah.
But if you don't want to spend a lot on a blush, and I think that's okay to spend a lot of it, but I don't want to spend a lot on shadow, like if this is the same as Space Cowboy. I don't know. It's not the same, but
I think Space Cowboy, on my just quick little swatches, a little bit more of that iridescent that leaves gaps between it, dappled light on water. This is more like a sort of, I would say more like a really nice Natasha Denona type of shimmer.
So I bought a Natasha Denona. Natasha Denona's last I Need a Nude palette has some really great shimmers in it. Yeah. Like this one, and it's kind of, it's got a bit chunky.
Yeah, a little buttery.
And then this one, I'm not comparing the color, I'm just comparing the texture. Is very similar in feel. Like, you could just see it's kind of thick. It's not like toppery. This one of them is toppery. I don't know. There's so many to choose from. I only chose 3. It's random. But what excited me the most was their cute highlighters. Now, these are $14. And I don't know how they compare to anything because they're so gorgeous.
This seems like sort of a blush topper because it has that pinkiness.
And I love that now. I'm into it. I'm so into it. Then I just picked up a couple of these flaky loose powders, which I don't mind. I used to have these, plethora of these that used to make me crazy. And now here I go back. I'm telling you.
Were they from MAC?
Yeah, and don't ever think your taste is going to remain. I'm back, baby. I'm back. Do you think I have my MAC ones? No. But look, you just put a little bit of the NYX glitter glue. I'm going to use these today. And then just as an extra, sparkle. That reminds me of Mothership palettes. They're special shades in Pat McGrath. So there's that. And then I just got something random.
This liquid one?
That liquid one.
Yeah, I just did a little swatch. I might try it.
Because those are the good ones that they stay all day, for sure. A liquid. And everything's shiny. I don't have a lip product. Because I have so many lipsticks I didn't want to buy.
Yeah.
You can figure that out on your own for MOIRA. And then I thought it was cool, But like a pencil, like we don't like plastic pencils, but this is different because it's a multi-chrome
Eyeliner.
eyeliner. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I wouldn't put it in my waterline because why bother?
You always say something like that and then go,
I
into
could put
the
it
waterline now. Look at this.
I'm telling you, my tastes change every.
Daily.
No, it's
Weekly.
Whatever.
Okay, let's dive in. I'm going to try this shade from the MOIRA blush. It's Love Heat. Oh, no, sorry. I Love You.
It's perfectly red. I've been messing with this shade all week. Love.
I Protect You. It's all the
peach.
it's
So pretty.
called the Love Heat cream blushes, and then I Love You. I Protect You.
This is cute. It's like maybe my favorite blush right now. But I'm going to try this bright pink one, and it's called I Miss You. I miss you, Mama.
Ooh, I knew it was going to be pigmented. Check it out. It does seem like it has some of that like balminess potentially that the
Because I don't have the Tower.
Tower 28s have. I have a few.
Yeah.
Yeah, super pigmented. As you can see, I'm going to have to
Okay.
take
Yes,
it back.
Betsy Davis.
Take it back. Baby Jane.
Yeah, Baby Jane.
I was like trying to be subtle building it up, but nope.
This is pigmented too. But I'm going to leave it as such. The other one that I've been using, this pale one, oh, it's so pretty.
I want to try one of the highlighters.
Mm-hmm. I
Guess the lighter one.
I'm going to do, okay, you're going to do that one. I'm going to do this one, Ballerina.
This is Honeysuckle. I don't have a brush, so I'll just use my finger. But yeah? Okay.
Boo-doo-doo-boop-boo-doo-doo-doo. I don't think they're too, like, they're not,
Yeah.
the highlighters aren't too much.
They're subtler than I thought.
Yeah. They're not like Rare Beauty where you're like, whoa.
Yeah.
Whoa.
They do have a bit of like glitz in them.
Tiny.
If you like.
But
if you
that's
don't like.
okay, kids.
Some people like, some people don't like.
I do.
I noticed that Vive discontinued their powder highlighter, which did have like flakes in it. Interesting.
Her taste changed.
Yeah.
Okay, so how I'm going to wear the eyeshadows, I'm going to use Danessa Myricks Groundwork and just create a slightly dark base and then put it over. And we'll see how it goes.
I'm not really sure what to do with something like this. Maybe I'll just do like just a touch of like shaping on the eye and then put this in the center and then see. I feel like maybe a winged liner could be good with that type of shimmer. We'll see. Yeah, you have your Groundworks. I have my Hin Dash.
Yeah, I love my Groundwork so hard. I wonder if I'm going to get the new Danessa Myricks.
Oh, the pinky one?
Yeah. It doesn't appeal to me because
Yeah.
it's
kind of a one note.
And I don't use it for... I use it for eyes only. I know I can use this for contour, but I don't contour.
You know, recently I contoured my nose for some reason. Why?
I saw you do it.
I know I did after I there's one side of my nose I really don't like. Like, I'm not a huge fan of my nose. But like one specific angle, here you go, where I'm really not a fan. Like, I have a good side. Anyway, I contoured my nose because I was just doing it for fun one day, watching a tutorial. And then I noticed in the camera, it didn't look as much as when I don't like it. It helped a little, the one side.
What's wrong with your nose?
It just looks different from one
It
side.
took me 9 months to make that nose.
First pancake. Could have done a better job. It's hard when everyone in Hollywood has the same nose and you compare your nose. And then you see them young and they're like, oh yeah,
They have
you look like a human before.
Yeah.
Everyone has the same nose.
I never hated my nose up until recently.
Oh, well, so you know the feeling.
Yeah, but I didn't hate it when I was young. I didn't think about it.
Okay. I just did a little bit of shaping, but let's see what happens. I feel like I'm going to apply it to the back of my hand first. This is a liquid. And then, scoop it with my finger and then put it on.
I want to see.
Oh, okay. Okay. It's subtle. I was like nervous. Like you can build it. It kind of looks like that Phoenix shade from Divina or something.
Yeah, it's a Divina shade. It's very beautiful.
Oh, nice. You could definitely go directly to the lid. I was just like worried it was going to be so intense that it would kind of overwhelm my eyeball. Ooh. Wow.
Okay. I'm putting this one called Shimmer Dream. Wow. It's a basic
name.
Shimmer Dream.
Shimmer Dream.
And then I'm going to do what I said.
Has a weird smell.
So these have that wet look, which I love. You can leave it just as this. But I'm going to add that thing, what I promised. The loose pigment.
Ta-da!
And one of them's pinky and one of them is sort of, I think they both go. One of them's greenish.
Oh yeah, I see that. Okay, I think
Starstruck Chrome Loose Powder. Razzle Dazzle and Galaxy Glimmer. Okay, let's go Galaxy Glimmer, which is very Pat McGrathy. I use my little glitter glue.
Yeah, I'm gonna do just some liner with this. I think that's where we're gonna end the look. I always say we as if like we're a team, you know?
We are a team.
This is how we're gonna end the look.
Well, it's like we're going, when you go to the doctor, they say we, but you're the one opening your legs.
I talk to myself in my head and like say like you know, and then you're gonna do this and then you're gonna do that. Like I'll catch myself speaking to myself in my head as if I'm speaking to another person. Have you noticed that? Am I just
have I noticed I do it to
myself? Yeah. Pay attention.
Look at this.
Wow, that's really cool. That's a double layer cool.
Yeah. So I'm pretty thrilled with my purchase. Like I spent like $120 and I got a zillion things.
Yeah.
Like you.
US or CAD?
CAD.
Oh.
Like maybe 140 with tax CAD. Okay, I want to use that liner. I'm going to use it just underneath my eyes just because. I saw your trick on your channel.
Oh, yeah, that I tried from...
Yeah, that's for the waterline, yeah.
It's for white waterline. Basically, when you're doing white in your waterline, it's from Rose and Ben. You... Instead of putting it all in your waterline, you put it on just the white parts to like extend the white parts and skip the iris. It'd be super cool though to do your like eye color shade in the middle.
If you can find it.
Yeah.
Mine is so unique. Yeah, I'm really thrilled. Thrilled with this. Purchase Moira. It's just fun. Like if you have you're jonesing for makeup, which I know everyone's trying to save money.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes you need a treat. I mean, it doesn't break the bank.
A little treat.
Makeup's so crazy.
A little treat. I have to say this liquid stuff is a bit odd. I don't know that I'd be thrilled to use it again. It dried down like in a strange way. Like
that's like that.
Look at it.
The Natasha Denona one. It's thick, right?
It almost seems like it's like mattified.
Yeah.
Like the base, the jelly base, mattified. Does that make sense?
Does that make sense?
It's strange.
If that makes any sense. Everyone's saying that now. Yes, it makes sense. I'm not dumb.
That's a way to communicate.
Okay.
Like, you know what I mean, Jelly Bean?
Yeah, okay. That's what I like. That's my era.
You know what I mean, Jelly Bean? Are you done?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to do this other wing off camera. Let's do our lashes and then finish off with some lips, whatever that may be.
What's your lips?
I don't know. Ta-da!
No, we haven't finished, though. We have to put our lipsticks on.
All right. Ta-da! We're done. No.
I chose Velvet Fawn that you gave me.
Yeah, the Lisa Eldridge. Y'all know I love Lisa Eldridge, but that was one shade I couldn't make work for me. It made me... I put it on and I'd be like, it doesn't work.
Why?
I don't know. There's something about it that like washed me out. In
It was so weird because when I bought the Lisa Eldridge first.
Yeah.
And it was really the one I wanted, and I forgot, and I was like flustered because I thought when she launched them, it was going to be some big, like Jeffree Star, It wasn't.
She appropriately stalks. Well, the Velvet Sorcery, I think, got sold out when it released. But yeah, you panic bought some pretty random colors there. Although there is a Velvet Bloom, I think. Blush. Yeah.
What's wrong with the colors? Like Carnival?
Rando. Too pink. IMO. I'm going to use Verde Valley from ColourPop.
I love my eye look.
I'm just going to top it up with a lip oil from Merit. Oh, yeah.
I have a Merit lip oil. I don't know where it is.
Yeah. What color did you get?
It's Brune.
I
like it. It must be around. I didn't throw it away.
This is my second of this color, Sangria.
All your lipsticks, you repurchased some?
Mm-hmm. I've repurchased Clinique Almost Lipstick Black Honey like 4 times. I'm a good girl. I've been downgraded to VIB.
This one's a VIB. Can you believe?
I said earlier, I'm proud of myself that I've been downgraded.
I'm
and she's like,
why would you be proud?
It's like I was mindful spender.
I'm so ashamed.
And I like bought a couple things thinking, oh, I'll probably go up to Rouge. Didn't.
That's the difference between your generation and mine.
Oh, yeah. That's the difference between when you just sold a house in Toronto and you didn't.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, these are finished looks. I like this type of like really multi-chromey shimmer with just a liner. I think it looks cool. Like you can just really let the shimmer speak for itself. It's a fun look. And it's approachable. Very cool. Very cool. It's really different. It's just not what I expected. It's like, I think you have to see it in person. It has like, it really dries down.
It looks really nice.
But it doesn't feel thick, though. It doesn't feel thick.
Okay, it doesn't.
Yeah, it doesn't.
Okay, and I like these kind of shadows to create a wet look on a matte thing. I'm not all about matte. I like a matte, but I'm not all about it. I need a shimmer. Always have. And I love this.
Yeah,
these are so cool. Pretty.
I need to like invest in some like more multi-chromey singles on my end. That's something that...
And I have a collection of the Divinas. I love Divina and I love Cleona. I love all those. But I wouldn't travel with them. Like, because they're singles and they're in my single kit. But I definitely travel with this.
Yeah, it's so self-contained.
Yes.
Yeah, you could bring this for fun for one night.
I am going to Portugal, guys.
Yeah.
Like everybody else did in 2023. Portugal, everyone went there. Did you know that?
No.
Every person I knew went to Portugal.
Yeah?
Yeah. Your cousin, my nephew.
My friend.
My client.
Damn. Lucky ducks. Now you lucky duck. Huh?
Yeah. Anyway. Yeah.
Anyway, these are finished looks. Let us know in the comments down below if you've checked out MOIRA before. The brand was new to me, so yeah, I was actually surprised
new to me.
know.
Oh, that I know, because I watch all these shows. Like I watch YouTube all the time. The things I know. You guys think I'm the dumb one because I'm the old? No, I know it all.
She knows everything.
Kids, I know it.
Yeah, I have a weird memory for shade names and stuff. But you are the one with all the knowledge of the new releases.
Yeah, I watch all those. I watch all those channels. I know what's going on.
Yeah. Anyway, that's it for today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you next time. Stay witchy, stay bitchy. Have a good week. Bye, witches.